sometimes inviting others to your table opens doors of mercy you never expected. Today's reminder is about hosting friends and neighbors for iftar. Gathering our circle of friends and even neighbors and inviting them to a shared iftar is one of the beautiful ways to revive the spirit of Ramadan. Whether it takes place in a student home, dormitory, mosque, or community space, such gatherings carry immense reward. Hosting an iftar brings not only the reward connected to supporting those who fast, but also the blessings of maintaining ties and strengthening relationships. These shared meals nurture affection, unity, and warmth among people, creating an atmosphere of brotherhood and sincerity. Ramadan is not only about personal worship, it is also about building hearts and communities around remembrance and generosity. A shared table can unite hearts, invite others and spread generosity, strengthen bonds through kindness. Let your iftar be a gathering of mercy. Like if this reminder inspired you, comment. Have you hosted or attended a community iftar? Subscribe to Light of IMAN for day 23 of 30 Ramadan 40 advices. May Allah bless our gatherings and increase love between us. Āmīn.